Welcome back, folks. Ugh. Holding water. So, this is a every 8 to 10 month job that I do right here. There is a severe dislocate somewhere right here. So I send in the EPL chains and that resolves the issue every time. All right. There you go. Okay. Now, okay, as I said, that clog is not that far in. It may not even be. It may be like right here. All right, we'll stick the camera in and see where it is, and then I'll get the root. It's this one big root. Watch, I'll show you. There's one of the roots. Oh, that's gotten way worse since the last time. Ooh, yikes. Yeah, that's way worse than it used to be. It used to just be this one straggler, but now it's a whole bush down there. All right. Let's pull the camera back just a touch. Okay, got the chains right on it. Oh yeah, see it? Completely tore it all out. Nice. There you go. Some of the roots. I'm gonna go back in and really clean this up. Okay, so this is way worse than it used to be. Way worse. And the last time I did this was probably, I would say about a year ago I did this. So I'm gonna have to have a conversation with the owners, because yeah, that's really not good, dude. Look at that. I haven't even hit that yet with the chains. Wow. Holy cow. This is way worse. Okay, let's go again. Pass number, what is this, 3? Gosh. All right, let's keep going. Wow. Yeah. Not only has this gotten worse, it's like worse by 100%. I mean, this is crazy. It's only been a year. Wow. All right, now let's take a look. Much better. Much cleaner. Oh yeah. See that little spot right there? That's all that it used to be. Ooh. Oh, that's why. That dislocate's gotten worse. See? See how it drops down? See? Yeah. Yeah, okay. It's gotten much worse. So we'll put the chains right back on that spot, get those out of there. And then that will pretty much be as much as we can do. I've told the owners that they need to replace this, and they're aware of it, so. Signal strength is very high. We're at 3,000. Okay, so we're at over 3,000. That's your pole. So camera head's right there. So the section of pipe that needs to be dug up is from here to basically the clean out is what I would do. So essentially this whole area would need to get jackhammered, and maybe watch your step. So this whole area right here would need to get jackhammered, and maybe a little bit into the driveway. And I'm not sure if that falls under public works or not. Watch your step. So, but that would be a relatively easy fix. But I got it as clean as I could. The problem is I mean, you can see that dislocate on the left, right where it says 1204. I mean, there's little stragglers, but that should be enough. That's pretty much all of it, which is, I mean, that is significantly worse than it used to be. So I think it's probably wise that they dig all this up. All right.